Hey everyone, this is Akhil from Installernode, and Vivo has just announced the two new flagship smartphones, the Vivo X50 and the X50 Pro. So this is the X50 that we have with us. So let's check out what all does it have to offer and how well does it stand out with some high graphic intensive games and a lot more performance tests in this video. So let's check it out. So Vivo has been well known for launching some budget-friendly smartphones in India that offer great performance at a budget price. So recently, Vivo has announced the X series of smartphones in India. So we have the X50 and the X50 Pro that comes in the range, and this is the X50 that we have with us. So let's talk about the specifications of the X50, and later in this video we're going to test out the gaming performance as well of the device, so stay tuned for that as well. So talking about the specifications of the Vivo X50, at the front we have a 6.56 inches display. It's a flat ultra O display and has a high refresh rate of 90 Hz. That's the first device from Vivo in India that comes with a high refresh rate, and it has a response rate of 180 Hz as well. It's a HDR10 plus display, and this specific display is manufactured by Samsung. Talking about the processor, it's powered by Snapdragon 730 processor and it's running on Android 10 OS out of the box. This specific variant that we have with us comes with 8 gigabits of RAM and 128 gigabits of internal storage, but there would be another storage option of 256 gigabits in the higher variant as well. Talking about the cameras, we have triple rear camera setup where the primary one is a 48 megapixel camera with f1.6 aperture. There's a 8 megapixel super ultra wide sensor, and there's a 13 megapixel bokeh sensor as well, and that offers 20x of digital zoom as well at the rear. At the front we have a single 32 megapixel of camera. Talking about the audio, it has a high-res certification 3D audio tracking that offers great audio experience, and in terms of Bluetooth, it's powered up Bluetooth 5.1. So that's all about the specifications of the Vivo X50. So let's run some benchmarking tests on the device. So here are the results of Geekbench and AnTuTu. So let's test out the gaming performance of the device by testing out all the high graphic intensive games like PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, Call of Duty, Fortnite, and a few more as well. So stay tuned and have a look at the gameplay of all these and check out the frame rates and all the graphic settings available on this device. So let's get started with PUBG Mobile first.
Killing spree for the red team! Cover me! Match is over.